My name is Ian Barrass and I'm the lead manager of the Henderson Alternative Strategies Trust plc.
My name is James Bunsen. I am the co-manager of Henderson Alternative Strategies Trust.
The trust was founded in 1991 and was managed for many years by Scottish Value Management based in Edinburgh. In 2013, Henderson took over the management of the trust.
The objective of the Henderson Alternative Strategies Trust is to achieve long-term capital growth, and our aim is to actually outperform global equities over the long term, over a cycle, say maybe 6 to 8 years. So there is a benchmark, which is the FTSE World Index in GBP terms, that we will try to outperform over that period.
Well, the trust is basically a fund of funds, and it invests in a whole series of alternative and specialist asset funds. So we have a number of investment categories. We invest in funds that focus on a particular sector, for example, credit funds or renewable energy, funds that focus on a particular geography, perhaps in emerging markets, for example. And then we have 3 categories in private equity, property and hedge funds as well. So a good broad range of alternative and specialist assets.
Our investment style is all about diversification, and it's about discipline of how we invest. So diversification, obviously we can invest across many types of asset class and strategy, and that should give the fund nice risk-adjusted returns going forward, a smoother type of return profile, because the underlying strategies and asset classes will react in different ways to what's going on in the economic cycle and what's going on in markets. And we also believe diversification of the trust as a whole should give investors in the trust something different to what they're getting in their mainstream equity or fixed income portfolios. But discipline is absolutely key. So, we can invest in such a wide range of different asset classes and strategies that we have to really keep our focus and make sure that we only invest in the highest quality assets and the highest quality managers. So we spend a lot of time on due diligence, making sure that we're really getting the best of breed in terms of manager, and the assets underlying are really, really top quality.
But we have a broad range of investors that invest in the trust. I think really what I would say, it's any investor who's looking for a well-diversified, good quality portfolio of these type of more specialist alternative asset and specialist asset funds. James and I spend all our time looking at these sorts of funds. This is our specialism, this is our focus. So what we're trying to do is provide an investor with the opportunity to get access to that expertise, looking at parts of the market that those investors might not necessarily look at directly themselves.